Welcome! If you're looking to spice up your Discord experience and make your polls more interactive, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to enable multiple votes on Discord polls with the latest updates. Whether you're running a community server, organizing a game night, or just settling debates with friends, allowing multiple answers can make your polls more flexible and fun. Let's dive right in. First, open up Discord on your device. You can use the desktop app, web browser, or even your mobile phone. The steps are the same. Once you're in, head to the channel or direct message where you want to create your poll. This could be a group chat with friends or a specific server channel where your community hangs out. Next, look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom left of the message box. Tap or click on it, and you'll see a menu pop up with different options. From here, select Polls. If you don't see it, make sure your Discord app is updated to the latest version, as this feature might not appear on older versions. Now, it's time to create your poll. Type in your question, make it clear and engaging, so everyone knows what they're voting on. Then, add your answer options. You can usually add several depending on what you need. Here's the key step. Look for the option that says Allow Multiple Answers. This is what lets your friends or community members pick more than one option when voting. Make sure to check or toggle this setting on. It's a game changer for polls where more than one answer makes sense, like picking favorite movies or planning activities. Once you've set everything up, hit Send. Your poll will appear in the chat, ready for everyone to vote. Participants can now choose multiple answers, making your poll more dynamic and inclusive. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to enable multiple votes on Discord polls. Try it out, get creative, and make your next poll the best one yet. Thanks for tuning in, and happy polling.